This evening, I'm visiting one of Hoi An's most famous food institutions, White Rose Restaurant, located at 533 Hai Bà Trưng. This place claims to be the original home of Bánh Bao Bánh Vạc, better known to travelers as the White Rose Dumpling. If you've never tried it before, White Rose is like dim sum done the Quảng Nam way. Small steamed dumplings made with translucent rice flour skins, each meant to hold a tiny bite of peppery shrimp and pork filling. It's a dish said to have been brought to Hoi An by early Chinese settlers, and it's become one of the town's signature foods. White Rose Restaurant is also famous for another reason. They don't just serve the dumplings, they actually make and supply them to restaurants all over Hoi An. With that kind of reputation, you'd expect the experience here to be flawless. But as many travelers have discovered, including myself, the reality is a bit more complicated. From the outside, the restaurant is designed to catch your attention. The bright signage and rows of lanterns create a colorful frontage. It looks inviting, but the feel leans more towards a tourist-friendly setup than the quiet charm you might expect in the old town. Inside, the dining hall stretches long and narrow. The walls are painted a bold mustard yellow, and the patterned tiles look attractive at first, but together with the heavy wooden furniture, the space feels slightly busy. Everything is clean and neat, but the atmosphere is more functional than cozy, more like a dining hall built for quick turnover. At the back, you can actually see the staff working in the prep area. It's efficient, but the setup feels closer to a semi-industrial kitchen than a heritage-style restaurant. Service here is a mixed bag. My fried wonton order was missed entirely, which created a 20-minute gap between dishes. And based on online reviews, this isn't unusual. The staff aren't unfriendly, but they do come across as a little disengaged. In a town known for warm hospitality, that difference is noticeable. The menu is very simple. Only two main dishes, Bánh Bao Bánh Vạc, the White Rose Dumplings, and Hoành Thánh Chiên, the fried wontons with tomato sauce. For solo diners, there's a handy half-half platter that lets you try both without over-ordering. Now, with a menu this focused, most people come in expecting mastery. Unfortunately, the food doesn't quite reach that level. The dumplings look delicate on the plate, but once you bite into them, the texture tells a different story. Instead of being soft and slightly chewy, the skins were a little dry and tougher than expected, almost as if they had been steamed ahead of time and left sitting. Inside, the fillings were quite underwhelming. The shrimp inside the square dumpling was small and pale, with a texture closer to shrimp paste than a springy bite. The larger dumplings had a loose filling that didn't hold together. The vegetable bits and diced mushrooms seemed unevenly chopped, and the overall flavor was surprisingly bland. If you've ever had a good Cantonese hagao, that luscious shrimp inside a delicate wrapper, you'll know how satisfying a dumpling can be. White Rose, at least on my visit, didn't quite reach that standard. The bright spot was the nuoc cham, the dipping sauce. Balanced, savory, and slightly sweet, it added much needed flavor to the dumplings. The fried wontons looked colorful, but they relied heavily on the sauce. The wonton skins were thin and airy, but so brittle that they shattered instantly. And once the sauce hit them, they softened right away, losing any remaining crispness. The tomato-based sauce was thick and glossy, leaning towards a Chinese-style sweet and sour profile. The diced onions, tomatoes, and black fungus added texture but not much freshness. The sauce felt a little heavy and sticky, as if thickened with too much starch. The small prawns on top tasted more like something tossed into the sauce at the last minute than a highlight ingredient. For my half-portion platter and a drink, I paid 95,000 dong. It's not expensive, but many diners feel that the portion size and quality don't match the hype. You can often find better, fresher versions of these dumplings at smaller eateries or street stalls around Hoi An. White Rose Restaurant sits in an interesting space between local legend and tourist expectation. It's worth a visit if you want to see where the famous dumplings come from. But if you're looking for flavor, warmth, and value, you may walk away feeling that the experience doesn't live up to the reputation.